Smoothie Diet Official Guide, How to Lose Weight with Delicious Smoothies, the Smoothie Diet. Welcome to the official website of the 21-Day Smoothie Diet. What is the 21-Day Smoothie Diet? You'll be eating loads of antioxidant-rich fruits and veggies, especially leafy greens, flooding your body with the nutrients needed to slim down. Why healthy smoothies are ideal for weight loss and improving your overall health. The best advantage in this program is the easy-to-make smoothies, saving my time. How does the smoothie diet work? Features you need to know. You can use this smoothie detox anytime you've fallen off the wagon and need a healthy reset, like after the holidays or a vacation. Health benefits of the smoothie diet. Processed food is packed with harmful chemicals and additives that overwhelm your body's detox system. Drinking smoothies with blended fruits and veggies deliver a high amount of nutrition in an easily digestible form, so you have more available energy. Research shows us that people who eat a diet rich in fruits and vegetables have improved immune function and less risk of chronic illness. The smoothie diet helps you lose weight and keep it off. What makes the smoothie diet program unique? These smoothies are so incredible, and it is definitely a plan you could follow indefinitely. How does the smoothie diet compare to other weight loss plans? Let's explore how the smoothie diet stacks up against some popular weight loss programs. The keto diet's focus on fats makes it tricky to get enough fiber, which can cause constipation. Well, I've been on the smoothie diet for 9 days and I've already lost 9 pounds. I'm so happy I could dance. Who is the smoothie diet for? Swaps are suggested for people with food allergies, and the plan is easily adaptable if your body needs more protein. Busting common smoothie diet myths. Pros and cons of trying out the smoothie diet plan. The smoothie diet review. Is the 21-day smoothie diet effective? I get emails every day from people telling me how the smoothie diet helped them lose weight and transform their eating habits.